Once the installation of the sheets is complete, clean the joint with Altro Dissolve It wipes. When welding Altro Whiterock wall designs sheets, the method of welding differs from general Altro Whiterock welding guidelines. This is due to the need to switch to an anti-glaze nozzle from the standard speed nozzle. For this installation, a Leister 5mm round speed weld nozzle with a small air slide is being used. Other welding nozzles are available. This is important in preventing damage to the foil when welding and cleaning the weld off. It's important to carry out a test weld on some small offcuts of the sheet to make sure your temperature setting and welding speed is suitable for the product and conditions. Use color-matched weld rods to form the joints, taking care not to burn or scratch the sheet during this process. In this instance, the temperature of the welding gun is set too high, resulting in the test weld burning. Turn down the welding gun temperature and carry out another test. This time the test weld is perfect. You are now ready to start welding. Feed the weld rod into the gun and move your hand steadily at a consistent pace down the join. When pre-cutting and carrying out the final trimming of the weld rod flush to the surface of the Altro Whiterock sheet, spray the joint with anti-static solution first to reduce the risk of scratching the sheet foil. For this installation, a Mozart trimming knife is being used. Cut away the excess weld rod using the 0.7mm Mozart knife spacer guide. This will leave the weld rod slightly proud of the surrounding area. Once the weld rod has cooled, a second trim is required using the blade only. Dry off excess anti-static solution. After the joints have been hot welded, apply silicone sealant as required to all abutments and exposed edges, and then remove film and clean the sheets.